Hello and welcome to the series of videos where we will be showing you the various features in our latest curtain wall tool for OpenBuildings Designer Connect Edition. So, let us begin. Here we will see how to create schedules and reports for curtain walls and how to export these reports to Excel with the help of Excel Exchange. As you can see, we already have a curtain wall placed. Now we will go to the Data and Reporting tab and click on the drop-down below the Schedules tab. This will open the Schedules window where we can create a new schedule, modify existing schedules, or refresh the data in any schedule after it is modified. We can see the schedules is currently showing the catalog types that have been used in our model, which are curtain wall frame, curtain wall panel, and curtain wall system. If we click on any catalog type, say the curtain wall frame, we will get a detailed schedule of all the curtain wall frames used in the model. We can also modify the catalog types from the schedule by clicking on the instance name and activating a drop-down that shows us all the options available. Like here, we see the options available for mullions in curtain wall. Similarly, for panels, we go to the catalog types from schedules and change the instance name from glazing type 1 to glazing type 2 or half frosted glass and louvers, and then refresh my schedule. You can see the changes have been implemented in the model as well. Now we will see how to export these schedules to Excel as well as how to update the values from an Excel file. For this, let us first create two new curtain wall systems. For the first one, I will select the curtain wall type as punched opening, and for the next one, I will select the curtain wall type as ribbon window and modify the horizontal spacing to 6000 working units. Now we will go to the Schedules tab and then click on Curtain Wall System. Here I can see all the curtain walls that are there in my design file. From here, we will go to the Excel Exchange tab in the Schedules window and then click on Edit in Excel. This will open the schedule in an Excel file. Let us change the heights of the curtain walls that we have and save the Excel file. Now we want to import the Excel data into our OpenBuildings Designer file. For this, we will go to the Excel Exchange tab again and then click on Update from Excel. And we go on to select the Excel file we want to update our data from and then click Open. We will receive a pop-up box that will notify us about the changes that are done in the schedule. We will close the box and we can see that the schedule is updated and the changes made in height can be seen in here. If we close the schedules window, we can see that the changes are already reflected in our designed curtain wall. If you are confused regarding any tool, you can always visit our online help by going to our Backstage menu. For this, you would need to go to File, then Help Contents. Make sure you also watch the other videos in this series to know more about curtain walls in OpenBuildings Designer.